One, two, three, go.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is my portfolio in event management services. This is our logo. This is my company, Indonesian Concept Philippines Event Management, and my tagline is turning your dreams into exceeding your expectation. Our contact information, www.indonesianconceptph.com, and for my email address is indobonph@gmail.com. For my contact number is 0910-485-0912. About the company, about us. Indonesian Concept Philippines is a premier event management and concept design company specializing in automotive showcases and innovative expos. We bridge the gap between Indonesian automotive ingenuity and the dynamic market in the Philippines, providing a platform for the latest concept and cutting-edge technologies in the automotive industry. For our mission is to deliver unparalleled automotive exhibitions and events that highlight groundbreaking design and technological advancement. We aim to connect industry leaders, employees, and consumers through immersive and inspiring experiences that push the boundaries of automotive innovative. Our vision, providing the rich venue for presenting modern motor technology and design. Our mission is to inspire and connect customers, industry leaders, and enthusiasts through life-changing and immersive experiences. Our team comprises experienced professionals with a deep understanding of both the Indonesian and Philippine automotive markets. We are dedicated to providing exceptional service and creating memorable events that resonate with attendees and clients alike. About the company, services, automotive concept shows, event management, and marketing and promotion, consulting services, partnership opportunities. Our core values, innovation, excellence, collaboration, customer focus. This is our company visibility map and visual. These previous events. Event organization team. Organization chart, event director, team management, budget management, event coordinator, stage manager. This is my
Letter of intent.
December 20, 2024. Alex Asigo, Future Drive Auto Expo. Merit Queen of Peace, San Division, Parañaque City, 1700. Dear Miss Alex Asigo, we are excited to present our proposal to collaborate.
Ganun talaga siya. Opinion pre. Hindi mo sa'yo maganan. Dimahin mo na lang.
Future Drive Auto Expo as your trusted partner in organization and exceptional motor show event at Indonesian Concept Philippines. We specialize in creating world-class automotive exhibitions that bring together enthusiasts, industry leaders, and brands to celebrate the innovation and beauty of modern vehicles. Thank you for considering Indonesian Concept Philippines, your motor show event organizer. Sincerely, Jeremiah Joshua Casabuena, event coordinator, Indonesian Concept Philippines event, 0910-485-091. Our proposal to attend a Velocity Motor Showcase on October 20, 2025 at Bulacan South Complex. Name of the sponsor, Alex Asigo. Proposed date of the event, June 20, 2025. Name of the event, Velocity Motor Showcase. Event team, Speed Revolution. Estimated duration time of the event, 3 hours. The venue is Bulacan Sport Complex. Event summary. 1. A Velocity Motor Showcase is an event where new motors and technology are showcased. It includes motor displays, product launches, and interactive exhibit. When Velocity Motor Showcase is held on June 20, 2025, where at Bulacan Sport Complex. How? The event is planned months ahead, with organizers arranging displays, marketing, and tickets. Motor companies set up booths to show their latest models. Who? A velocity motor showcase involves many people. Car companies like Ford and BMW showed their new cars. Journalists come to report on the event. Industry experts attend to see new technology. These are poster and banners, invitation and flyers for events. This is our floor plan, our venue. This is the program. Welcome to opening remarks, 15 minutes. First vehicle showcase in 30 minutes. Live motorbike stand show, 20 minutes. Second vehicle showcase in 30 minutes. Interactive experience zones, 20 minutes. Final vehicle showcase, 30 minutes. Closing ceremony, 15 minutes. This is our full proposal, our main course. Our dessert. Appetizer and snack and drinks. This is the budget outline. Subtotal 342,000 and the grand total is 485,640. Our budget outline optional B. Our subtotal 684,000 and the grand total 971,280. This is my invitation venue rental. For the total is 170,000 and catering service 30,000. Memorandum of Agreement between Indonesian Concept Philippines and Philippines Event Management and Future Drive Auto Expo. Financial terms. The client shall pay the provide as follow. Total amount fee is 485,640. Payment schedule 2 weeks before the event. 50% when signing the agreement, 242,820. 30% 2 months before the event, 145,692. 20% 1 month before the event, 97,128. The reservation agreement is made entered into this January 2025 by the between Indonesian Concept Philippines Event Management and Future Drive Expo. SWOT analysis. Strength, high interest, networking hub, brand exposure, media attention, revenue potential. Our weakness, high cost, seasonal interest, competitive, intensive planning. Opportunities, green vehicle focus, virtual add-ons, tech partnerships, merge sales, our threats. Economic risk, regulation pressure, health risk, changing trends. And this is our business permit.
Sumasama naman kay That's
That's all.